Going to discuss about to view the contents of files. In previous section I explained the part 1, like how by using the cat command, by using the tag, or by using the reverse. Okay, if it is a file is a small file like 2 KB or 3 KB, like you have some 50 lines, if you want to see, by using cat command is the best option to see the data, right? If you have like 100 lines, more than 500 lines, if you want to see some data, like I want to see some top 5 lines, like I want to see from the bottom 5 lines, how you can see? So here we have some commands, like I will explain the 4 commands: head command and tail command, like, and there is a more and less, and I will give one use case how we can solve by using this command. We will see. If you see here, there is a head command. Head command, like human being, like a brain will be there, right? Like that for the file. If you see the top data, if you want to see like some few lines of code, how it will be use this command, like let me show you how to use. Like I have a file with huge content. Let me show you by using the cat command. Cat, there is a Linux flavors. I have one text file. If you click this file, I have lot of data, so you need to scroll up and down, right? Like if you see here, lot of data, all Linux flavors I have. Like if you use the head command, top 10 lines it will be display. Like how you need to the syntax, just to type the head command and give the file name. This is the syntax. If you see here, by default, sorry, cursor issue. If you use the head command, this is the file name. You can just count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, like you are counting this one, right? As I already explained, there is a utility command for the cat. If you want to display the line numbers, how you can do that? Just append this data, cat command, what you want to enter, -n if you use, and there is a which command you want to use. Command is the cat command and head command. I'm combining the both. How I can do that? Use the Linux flavors. Now it will be display the line numbers. See, 50 line numbers, like with the blank spaces it is displaying. So for this command, use there is a head command. Forget about this symbol. This is like a pipeline symbol. In the further sessions, how to use this pipeline symbol I will explain you. As of now, see the output here. If you see here, the top 10 lines it is displaying. Okay, my requirement is now this command is default providing the 10 lines. Like now I want to display like a 20 lines. How you can do that? Simply append head command -20. Just give the number and give the file name. If you see here, top 20 lines it will be display. Okay, some other user comes, no sir, I want to see the last data in the file. There is a last 5 lines of data I want to see. How you can do that? Just tail command. We have a tail command. If you use just without any parameter, if you give Linux flavors, click on enter. See, last lines it will be display. See, white box, enterprise Linux, Ubuntu, vector Linux, zero shell, these are all the in the market available Linux flavors. Okay, so if I want to display last 3 lines I want to display instead of 10, default it will provide 10. If you see here, with the blank space it is including as one line. Okay, not like a text, it will check the line number. If I given -3, what you will get the data? Only these 3 lines you will get the data. If you see here, linuxflavors.txt, if you see here, sgi, mips linux and zero shell. So this is the use of head command and tail command. So if you have the log files, if you want to see some content, in the middle some content you want to see some exception, then these commands are very useful while using the Linux environment. Why? Because in the Linux environment, in most of the IT companies, they will use non-UI based servers, right? By using the PuTTY you will connect the SSH, and if you want to see the data you need to use the commands. So these commands are very useful while seeing the data, right? And we have 2 more commands. By using the head and tail, just you are seeing the lines. Now I want to see some page by page, like if you took any PDF some data, a number of pages will be there, like index based. So the file content is very more like a 500 MB. So instead of displaying in the console, you want to see page by page. How you can do that? Just simple type the more command and use the Linux same command. Just file name is linuxflavors.txt, give the enter. If you see here, it will start with A, it end with NSA, means this is one page, right? If you want to go for the another page, if you see here, it is displaying the percentage also. If you assume the Linux file is 100%, so 58% is displaying in single page. If you want to see the next content, click on the spacebar. So in the next spacebar, it is displaying next number of lines. So in this way you can use the more command. And if you want to exit, just again I am doing, okay, if you see in the middle you want to exit, how you can do that? Simply type the Q command. So from the more, if you enter the Q command, it will exit, it will come out of the file. So if you see from the root user, we have like a lot of predefined commands, right? Just navigating the root user, cd/, so I'm at the root user now, like a Linux file system, right? If you want to see the bin commands, cd bin command, okay. Now how I can do that? Now I will do ls command /bin. What I will do? Hyphen symbol more command I'm using. If you see here, we have lot of commands will be there inside bin folder, right? If you click on the space bar, all commands you will get to know. See more command, p s z. If you want to exit, you can q. If the file reaches to the 100%, it will exit automatic, right? Now I'm using the q. That means you can exit from the command. This is the use of the more command to view page by page. Now there is a drawback of this more command, like you are going the forward direction, okay. Now some user came and, no sir, I want to go for the back side. So in that way, we have another command, less command. You can go for the forward and you can go for the backward. How I can go? Same command, ls command, everyone know. You can see the list of files inside the binary directory, right? I'm adding one pipeline symbol, so I will explain as of now, like whatever we are getting the output, on top of the output you are applying one more command. This is your input. So on pipeline symbol, again you are filtering the condition by using the more command. So what I will do, same command, instead of more I will use the less, less. If you see here, this is also, it will happen the same, but there is an advantage of less command is you can go for forward and backward direction. If you want to go forward, you can enter the D, okay, D. Spacebar also it will go, D and spacebar, anything you can go. Now I want to go the backward, so backward direction, there is a B, so no need to hard code also, simply type the B. If you see here, you can go for the back command. So this is the first. If you go for, I'm clicking the D command or spacebar, the file will be reached to the till 100%, then the file will be exit. If you want to middle, if you want to exit from the application or command, you can enter the Q, so it will exit from the less command. Okay, now you know how to use these commands, head command, tail command, more and less. So I'm giving one use case for you guys. Please try to practice this command, how you can resolve this problem. Okay, I have a log file, like I will show you where the in the Unix we have one directory, all log files will be there. In the root user cat command, you can go for change to the directory, cd/where there is a folder like any data. While explaining the file structure, I explained in the where folder, if any content is keep on changing, all log files it will be stored inside the where folder. Okay, click on enter. See here, if you do the ls command, we have some folders, right? In the where folder there is a log folder will be there. If you see here, there is a log. Okay, just go and navigate inside the log, log, do the ls command. Now if you see here, you are seeing number of log files, right? If you want to see some data, how you can, by using the cat command. So I want to display auth.log, so I'm displaying this file. Okay, if you see here, lot of content we have, right? Now if you move to the front, see lot of lines we have. But if you want to see the data to number of lines, by using the cat command you can resolve this issue. Okay, that is one point. Okay, I have a log file which contain 500 lines. Assume that this file contain 500 lines, so I want to display the lines only 50 to 70 lines. Okay, how to solve this problem? By using head command and tail command, we can, you need to solve this problem, you need to use 3 commands: cat, head and tail. Please try to resolve this problem. In the next tutorial I will explain how to solve this problem. Thank you guys, we'll see you in the next tutorial.